In this age of data, automation is synonymous to superpower. Shedding off the buzz around automation, we understand your core needs: a simple, intuitive and secure way to integrate all your apps across multiple systems, the zero hassles way. Take control of what you aspire to do with your data, and how you wish to automate your enterprise workflows. Hyper-accelerate your automation goals with Quixy and Zapier Duo. Zapier allows you to connect Quixy with 3,000 plus apps across your value chain with no code. What is the outcome, you ask? You have your users who are empowered with real-time data that would assist them to excel at work, not to mention the immense productivity gains. Bring your automation to life in less than 5 minutes. Step 1. Pick one of your app as a trigger, which will kick off your automation. Step 2. Choose a trigger and resulting action on the app in Quixy. Step 3. Select the data you want to send from source app to the Quixy app with authentication. Step 4. Select destination app on Quixy platform and configure data mapping. Test your automation now. Voila! Automation accomplished.